Aloe vera is a versatile and soothing plant with numerous benefits for the skin and hair. Here are 5 DIY aloe vera recipes you can try at home. 1. Aloe vera face mask for glowing skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, fresh or store-bought. 1 teaspoon honey, for added moisture. 1 teaspoon turmeric, for its anti-inflammatory properties. Instructions: 1. Mix aloe vera gel, honey, and turmeric in a bowl until smooth. 2. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. 3. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Benefits: this mask helps hydrate and brighten your skin, and turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and irritation. 2. Aloe vera hair conditioner. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: 1. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl until well combined. 2. Apply the mixture to damp hair, focusing on the ends. 3. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. Benefits: aloe vera and coconut oil help hydrate and nourish your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and more manageable. 3. Aloe vera after sun soothing gel. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon cucumber juice. 1 teaspoon lavender essential oil, optional. Instructions: 1. Mix aloe vera gel, cucumber juice, and lavender oil in a bowl. 2. Store the mixture in a small container or jar. 3. Apply the soothing gel to your skin after sun exposure to cool and hydrate your skin. Benefits: aloe vera and cucumber help cool down sunburned skin and reduce redness, while lavender oil can provide a calming effect. 4. Aloe vera acne treatment gel. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon tea tree oil, known for its acne-fighting properties. Instructions: 1. Mix the aloe vera gel and tea tree oil together. 2. Apply a thin layer of this gel directly onto the acne-prone areas of your face. 3. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning. Benefits: aloe vera soothes the skin, while tea tree oil fights acne-causing bacteria and helps reduce breakouts. 5. Aloe vera exfoliating scrub. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon sugar, preferably brown sugar for a gentler scrub. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Instructions: 1. Mix the aloe vera gel, sugar, and olive oil until well combined. 2. Gently massage the scrub onto your face or body in circular motions. 3. Rinse off with warm water. Benefits: the sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells, while aloe vera hydrates and soothes the skin. Tips: always do a patch test before using any new DIY treatment to ensure you're not allergic to any ingredients. For maximum benefits, use fresh aloe vera gel from a plant or high-quality store-bought aloe vera gel. These DIY recipes help you make the most of aloe vera's natural healing properties to improve your skin and hair health.